So what are we gonna eat?
Eating rice cereal today.
Oh, that looks gross. Okay.
Daddy's already tried to make sure it tastes good. Okay, you want your spoon? Okay. Let's see. Let's not do that then. Okay. Doctor said to do that. Let's not do that. Ready?
A lot less on there. There you go.
Okay. Here you go. Hold on. I want to watch TV. You want to watch TV? Here you go.
Is that good?
Open up. What do you think? Think Mommy made like a month's worth of cereal? Here you go. Here you go. I'm just pushing it back. Want some?
Is that good?
Open up. Say, Daddy, save me. Mom's trying to shove this stuff in my mouth.
Look at her eyes.
I know you're getting some of it down.
You're starting to figure out, maybe. Unless it's just going in her cheeks.
We'll never know.
Are you just saving that in your cheeks?
Yes. Yes, I am.
He's like, oh man, I'll be able to throw this up real good.
Diapers will be fun. Here you go. She's more fascinated with the red. Go. Open up. Open up. Like that. Heavy. Good girl.
Evie, open up. Open up. What is that? Like it tastes like paper close. Evie.
Nice.
Oh, hey. Evie, do you like rice cereal? Say no.
No.
Do we really have to start with this? Probably not. Oh, there we go. Yes, good job, girl.
We're done.
Have fun. Say bye.
Say bye-bye, Abby. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Open up, open up, open up. You gotta open up. There you go. We got some in there, didn't we? What do you think? Oh, eat it. It's good. Yeah. Effie, what are you doing over there? Ah! Effie! Effie!
She's like, I know you made it somewhere over there.
Look.
This stuff is...
Yum, yum, Eat it up and swallow. Eat it up and swallow. Hello. Hello. How is that? You like just letting it hang out your mouth? Huh? Another little bite? Another little bite? Evie. Evie.
Did you look at the cat today, Evie? I keep opening my mouth and you're gonna put something good in there and it's the same stuff. Ugh.
Ugh.
Ugh. That was funny.
She does not like it. You don't like it.